My name is Tamara Troll. I work on the Watani Grasslands, and we have just had a couple births on this habitat. Right behind me is Linda and her calf, and we also have another female. Her name is Kit, and her calf was born on July 13th. These guys are the southern white rhinos. As you can tell, these guys got wide lips. And the majority of the rhinos are in the south part of Africa these days. Calves normally weigh between 88 and 100 pounds. The one female, Linda's calf, she's about 156 pounds, so she get about 50 pounds within a week. It's really amazing how fast they do grow. The calves do actually interact every once in a while. We've only seen it just a couple times, which is pretty amazing. The older one seems to usually go towards the younger one, and then they start, getting a little close to each other, and then they kind of buck and then back off. So it's pretty adorable when we do get a chance to see it. And yeah, we're very thankful that we've actually had two born pretty close to one another, so they actually got a buddy to hang out with. Yeah, these births are definitely important. It's a part of our species survival plan since there's a lot of poaching that's happening in Africa, so any births that we have are definitely beneficial for other rhinos. These guys are pretty amazing animals. They're so large, but they're so docile. To me, they're just like cows with horns. They love getting scratched on, and they love just, getting attention. Linda's calf loves getting rubbed on. Sometimes what I've been able to do is rub on her rolls, her neck rolls, and underneath her belly and stuff. Her tail ends up starting to curl, and it's really cute. I've actually been able to get her to lay down, which is apparently a thing that rhino cows do, which I'm just learning for myself, so it's pretty adorable.